Welcome. If you've been thinking about taking your Instagram presence to the next level, switching to a business account is the first step. A business account unlocks powerful tools to help you reach more people, track performance, and grow your brand. Today, I'll walk you through the process of turning on a business account in just a few easy steps so you can start making the most of Instagram. The first step is simple. Open the Instagram app and head over to your profile. This is where you'll always access your account settings and customization options. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on each other. From here, you'll see a list of options that let you control and manage different aspects of your account. Now, scroll down until you see the option called Account Type and Tools. Tap on it, and from this menu, select Switch to Professional Account. This is where you'll begin the process of setting up your new business profile. Instagram will guide you through choosing the type of professional account that fits your needs. Since we want to set up a business account, select Business. This option is designed specifically for brands, small businesses, online shops, and creators who want to access features like insights and promotions. Once you've selected Business, Instagram will prompt you to add details. Here you can provide important information such as your business category, contact details, and other essentials that help people connect with your brand. Take your time here and add details that best represent your business. After filling in the necessary information, simply tap Done. And that's it. Your account is now switched over to a professional business account. You'll notice new features available, such as access to analytics, advertising tools, and the ability to display contact buttons directly on your profile. Turning on a business account not only helps you understand your followers better, but also gives your brand a more professional touch. It's a quick and effective way to step up your Instagram game, and now you know exactly how to do it.